Sorry about that. Hi, friends. So I'm getting ready to do my eyebrows and put some eyelashes on. And see this? See that? How it's just like all icky. I'm going to show you how to clean it with the steamer, just to get all the mousse and everything out, so it won't be so, just like this. Okay, so but I just jumped out of the shower and everything, and I'm just gonna do my eyelashes and my eyebrows, and then show you guys how I keep my lace fronts nice and clean from steaming it. You have to be super extra careful, but it's easy. I mean, because this is just all crazy right now. I have actually had this on for a while. The glue is really good and really tight, so I mean, that's working out really good for me. I mean, literally, it's great. I don't do all of that baby hair and stuff. I'm too old for that, but I like to just let it flow. This was really long and I cut it because I like it just, like it is, like this. But only, not so heavy. So anyway, I'm going to throw my lashes on real quick, and, you just use the hair on my face. So, oh, hold on. Sometimes you get the strands just everywhere. Okay, there we go. So just easy peasy, just put this on. Just put it on like that, see? And put it on your lash. Make sure you curl it. Make sure you make it like oval. Make sure you curl it up, okay? Okay? I mean, they both look the same way to me. Yeah. So, upside down. And then I just put you want to make sure it's dry. So you wouldn't see any color, just like you would do your lace with the glue with that. But don't use your eyelash glue on your lace front. Don't do that. That's not gonna work. Okay, so that's just on there like that, and a little blue, because you want this to be sticky too. So you just want it to be nice and sticky, and just put them on. Bam, baby, it's on. Do the other side. Hold on, wait a minute, that was a little bit off. There we go. And get this one side in, just same deal, just get it on there. I'm gonna go down just a little bit further over here. Okay, no time at all, but I like to have all of this stuff done. I like to wake up with my stuff done. I don't like to be rushed in the morning and, have to go to work. So my eyelashes and my eyebrows I always put on at nighttime. I mean, they last for a couple of days, so I just wash my face around it and everything, so it's not really that big of a deal. But I mean, this will be for 3 days, and the eyebrows also, so that's not bad at all, not at all. So I'm gonna put this one on. I don't want to move it because I literally have this camera stacked up on books. I'm not even lying. So we are going to do the eyebrows now. So I cheat I'll use these things sometimes, or I just use this because I don't want things to come out all crooked. So I just put this on like this, line it up. Right? Make sure it's even. It's just so much easier for me. I'm not a face artist or anything. So I'll take my, what will I take? Oh, here it is. So I'll take my little, just a little eyebrow gel. Oops, sorry. So lay everything down. Pretty good. And then I'll take my lash stuff and I'll just go up and over, make sure I get all around. Sometimes I will draw an outline, but it's just for work, it's fine. That's it, just put it on there. So yeah, I got this, got it. I try to keep it in so you can see, but still get it done all at the same time. So that's good. And then I take this little, just a little muddy thing to put it on there. This is what keeps it on for a couple of days. So it's just pretty thick, but it's good. You just put it in there. I mean, I don't have hours and stuff to do my eyes, so I just, or do anything actually. I don't have time like that. So that's it. My eyebrows are done and my eyelashes are done. So how cool is that? I always wipe my, when I use one of my brushes, I always clean it, which just with a cloth, but a face cleaner, that's it. And now, I'm here. So now we're, no, I'm doing a YouTube about my hair. My husband just got it. I'm doing a YouTube video real quick. So there. And now the hair. So you see how heavy it is? It's just heavy, and like I was saying earlier, and you can just tell with the mousse and everything I put in it. And you don't, you don't want it to be that way. No, you do not. Okay, so I just literally take the steamer. And that's it. I just gonna straighten it out, and I'm gonna leave it straight today. I'm not gonna curl it or anything like that. I kind of just like it straight. So you have to be extremely careful doing this, like very, very careful. Super awesome careful. And I'm just gonna let that steam out. Grab my brush, clean up the mess, and my eyelashes. It's just everything's on and nice and there. Eyebrows came out okay. Sometimes I would take my my lash cutter or whatever, the razor thing, to just make sure I get everything. Yeah, so that's better. And this baby, So, I mean, I hate getting up and having to do like all of this stuff in the morning. I take my shower, I do all of my stuff at nighttime, so that way, when it's time for me to get up, I can just wash, put the makeup, you know, put my foundation and stuff around all of this, and just go on with my day. I don't, you know, the less time I spend in the morning time, the better for me. So it's all ready to steam. Just a little bit longer, and I'm just going to show you how easy this is just to get all of this. Look at that. It's just like a mess, and you can feel it. You can feel it, the gel and the mousse and everything in it. And then I will wrap it up tonight when I'm done and when I'm ready for actual bed. Okay, so that's a little bit overflow there. Alright, so let's get your little steamer. It shouldn't be popping out all of this water. I don't know what's going on with that. Baby's doing some weird stuff. Hold on, let me turn this off. I don't know what's happening with that. Alright, let's turn it off for a second. It's being extra weird right now. Ouch, but that's really hot. I see I overfilled it. Yeah. So, alright, we're going to take that off. Let's just pour some out. It's a little hot. Yeah, I went way past the max line. Where is it? Wow, I really overfilled it. I was like, holy smokes. Add a little bit more. Wow. A little bit more. All right, should be good to go now. All right, let's try that again. So, I was like, why is all of this water coming out? There we go. So, we just take it. Be very, very careful. Okay? And then just go down. It'll take all the nastiness out. All the kinks and everything, and actually clean your hair, which is awesome. Just be very careful. I'm trying to do this and look at you at the same time. It'll just get all of that gel, all of that mousse and everything just nice, and just make it nice and clean. Just make sure you be very careful. I can't stress that enough. You don't want to burn yourself. And if my glue get loose, I'll just re-glue it. It's no big deal. Which I'll show you that in a second, because I feel it getting loose. But sometimes it just gets right back to sticky. See how easy, how quickly it just get it. This is where I put most of the mousse up front, so just up top. You know how the back gets tangled and stuff. We don't have to worry about that. We could just use our steamer and that's it. Steam everything out. That is it. That is how you get it nice and just, uh-oh, boy, I almost thought you were gonna fall. See, just nice and it's actually clean out. It'll stay like this. Beautiful. I'm gonna turn this off. And that's it. That we did it. I'm gonna wipe just dry off my face a little bit. No makeup or anything. Holla. So that's it. Got my eyebrows, eyelashes, and I cleaned all the goo out of my lace front, and this is me ready for bed. Good night, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And don't forget, be careful, but this is a good way to just get everything all nice and clean in your lace front without having to take it off. It's beautiful and easy and just great. See, it's back to normal again. All right, subscribe.